As you can see, my boots are nearly a foot deep. There's a lot of snow here in Saskatoon and across communities in Saskatchewan that got over 20 centimeters of snow over the weekend. People are pulling out their shovels and digging out from the second snowstorm in just a week. All Saskatoon public schools and Greater Catholic schools were closed Monday, as well as schools in the Prairie Spirit School Division, in an effort to keep people off the streets. Prisha Saylor and her family still got outside, making use of the snow at Greystone Heights School.
How are you enjoying your day off school?
I'm enjoying it very much. There's a lot of snow, so we do have to clear the snow from the cars.
But some drivers were less enthusiastic.
With the little car, it's pretty bad. I need to replace my 2 front tires, so I've been stuck at least 4 times today.
A lot harder to get to work, and I had to get up super early to dig my car out. But that's about it.
Oh, it's great. I love it, but I don't have to go anywhere.
This latest snowstorm comes as crews are still working on clearing the roads after the last storm. The city of Saskatoon says crews are back at it, clearing priority streets with snowplows, salt trucks, and sanders. But it won't be getting to the residential and secondary streets anytime soon.
The plan is not to conduct a citywide residential clearing at this time. We do have several different options, and we are taking a very fiscally responsible approach here.
He says the city's snow removal budget is already stretched for 2024, so it will assess residential streets for any safety or mobility issues before clearing them. The city of Regina says this storm wasn't as messy as last week's storm. It plans to have all priority roadways cleared by Tuesday morning, but it will take several days before they get to small side streets and back alleys.
The main difference between this storm and the one that we had last week on Monday night was the wind. Obviously, a week ago we saw a similar amount of snow, but with those high winds, they really create havoc.
The city of Saskatoon was urging people to stay home on Monday to allow crews to clear roads, but said if people have to drive, to do so slowly and take main roads. Schools are set to reopen Tuesday. Ashwarya Duda, CBC News, Saskatoon.